Hello guys, welcome to Soft Touch Design. Today I want to show you how we were able to do this brand identity presentation. For example, you look at this. This is for a tote bag. This is the front, this is the back. Yes, this is the brand for this is to show how it is on shirt basically, and then this is the front of this is the back of the shirt, this is the front of the shirt. So we had different logos. This is the logo, and then this was the write-up. But the customer asked that we should make it in a very stylish form so that the person can can choose different options. So as a designer, you know how to give options for your client. I think that's all. So first and foremost, once we want to show you how this is achieved. This is, let me duplicate this. So first, now if you design your logo and you want to place it on your shirt, please make sure it is in vector form. And in vector form means that it is color changeable. You can change the colors. For example, you pick this here. Let's duplicate and see from here. Give it a color. Let's say this is a white color, and then you can make it visible. So now what you are trying to communicate to the customer, this is what we call mock-up. And then you are trying to communicate to that person that, please, this is how a shirt is supposed to look like. Damn, down Boroba. So at this juncture, you can arrange it like this. And then if the person demands that there should be something behind, you can show how you can also use that. For instance, let's use this Coco Fabs Luxury. Then let's change the color to white and then adjust it to sit behind the shirt like this, as you can see. So you can export this mock-up like this to show a client at any given point so that they will actually know what is obtainable for them. Then for this tote bag, we did the same process we did. This, you just download these images. Some persons will ask, where did you download these images from? So you can quietly go to Pinterest like this. For me to achieve this, I simply search for tote bags like this. You write tote bag. So tote bag here, press enter. You see varying designs of tote bags, and then you can select from. Look at good designs that tote bags here. Look at this, look at this. So looking at this, I can just decide to pick one that best suit my preference. Then I can select this, and then I can download it like this. Download. The same thing applies to shirts. You can select shirt mockups. You can type shirt mockup. You can see suggestions coming, shirt mockup design. Then as you can see, look at different. This is white, this is red, with a touch of design at the hand. So you just make sure you pick the one that suits your specifications so that you can be able to show your client as the case may be. So please, if you like anything about this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and give us a like, share, support. So thank you, and we'll keep impacting you, and then we'll see you at the top. Peace.